For my first DIY of your mushroom, you need this type of ball. Okay, whatever the ball you have, James, if you have a James ball or any other type of ball, if your kids have, you just take it and you have to cut this ball into a 2 equal halves. Okay, and for the stand, okay, you just need this type of bottle. Okay, and you have to cut it from here. Okay, I have this Bonishan bottle. Okay, I have got the if you have a Bonishan bottle, then it will be very good because this portion will be white. Okay, I have got the Bonishan bottle like this. Okay, and you have to paint this bottle. Okay, I'm using acrylic white paint. Okay, for the ball, okay, I have taken this portion. Okay, and I have used red color acrylic paint out here. Okay, let this one dry. Okay, let this one dry. Now we will move to our second portion of our mushrooms. For this you need a clay. Okay, like this. I have this brown clay. Okay, make a roll. Okay, and flatten it like this. Okay, whatever the shapes you want. Okay, you can give. Okay, after this one you just take it in your finger. Okay, like this, and you have to give the shape of your mushroom like this. For the holder, okay, you need this type of ice cream stick. Okay, if you have a stick, whatever sticks you have, you can use it. You just keep it and you can easily hold it. You don't need any gum. Okay, it will easily stick it. And you take a board. Okay, like this. Take some white acrylic paint. Okay, and make a dot over here like this. Okay, this is my second mushroom. Okay, for third one, okay, you need a diya. Okay, old diya. I have painted this with the pink color. Okay, dark pink color. Okay, and here also we are going to make a dot over here. Type of white. For the stand of this one diya mushroom, okay, you need this type of candle. Okay, and I don't know whether you can see or not. You just take a candle and we are going to melt this portion. Okay, and we are going to stick this one here. You have to stick this one properly. Okay, this is my third DIY of mushroom. Okay, if you wish, you can give follow this one candle also, otherwise it will look natural. For my third DIY of this mushroom, you need this type of shell. Okay, and you need one stick. Okay, it will look like a natural mushroom. Okay, I have already this hole here. Okay, I am going to insert this one stick here. If you don't have hole, okay, you have to use a hot glue gun to stick this one. Okay, this is my fourth mushroom. Okay, now we will come to our first mushroom. Okay, this one I have make it dot, okay, white dot here, okay, and this is my bottle, okay. And for this one I need some clay, okay. If you don't have clay, okay, you can use tape also, you can use M-seal also, whatever resources you have, you can use it. I'm using paint clay out here, okay, and yeah, I'm going to fill this one. Okay. After that, okay, take out Fevicol, okay. And take this one, okay, and stick this one properly. Okay, this was my, it look like this. Now we will do some decoration, okay, where to keep these mushrooms, okay. You need this type of straw spike, okay. Take one straw spike and we are going to make a circle here, okay, and we are going to cut this straw spike in round shape, okay, with the help of scissor. Okay, like this you can keep it, okay.